Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I keep saying this in every video and you guys are still not subscribing, so please subscribe to my channel. So guys, for today's video I am gonna be doing a natural hair mask using natural product. However, I do have wig on my head, so I'm gonna take it off in a minute. So this hair mask is gonna be homemade. I'll be making this hair mask right here. I will be trying Cardi's hair mask. Couple of weeks ago, if maybe a month ago, I came across Instagram story where she was doing a homemade hair mask for our daughter natural hair and her own natural hair, and I just feel like that just speaks to me. I just feel I need to try it. I just feel I need to do it in general. Obviously, the products you use for our hair mask are not new to beauty, are not new to hair. These are not new together. The only thing new for me is that I personally would not use all of those at once. I would just feel like it's too much. But she using them at once. I feel like if it works for her, it should work for me. Because my hair, I don't know what category of my hair is, but I am seriously extremely dry hair. I can put a bit of oil in my hair now, 10 minutes later it goes dry. Like I battle with dry hair. So if I can be doing hair mask 1 or twice in a month, maybe that will boost my hair to be very moist, not too dry at all. That's why I decided to give it a try. So let me take my wig off. I really love this wig. Like, I made it myself, and this is glueless. Ooh. Right, yeah. I had to scratch my hair because I've been wearing that wig for almost like 10 hours now. You can see my hair literally dry, and it's a colored short hair, so my hair is natural. It was obviously long user relaxer, and I did cut it down and cut it, so it comes to this level. It's actually a bit longer than this just because I've been wearing a net, so it actually make it look shorter. So I feel like part of my hair being dry is got to do with the bleaching. So with time, when my hair grows out, those color will disappear, but before that I need to treat my hair. So let's get right into the ingredients for this video, our hair mask placement. From the previous slides, you can see our product and the list of items we are going to be blending all together. So right now you're going to add 1 egg, use your mayonnaise, add a bit of honey, 2 spoons preferable, your avocado oil, your castor oil as well. You will add your coconut oil, your argan oil, and then don't forget your main ingredients, which is your fruit, which is your avocado. Cut off the skin off, and then you can add a bit of banana, just a bit of to be extra, and then blend all together. At this moment I effed up because I felt like I over poured too much, oil, and it overflows. So welcome back guys, and as you can see, that tutorial we actually did went all the ingredients for the hair mask. Yes, you need to blend all this product together. If not, there'll be lumps and seed or grains on your hair, so you want to make sure they are smooth and it's easy to wash out whenever you wash your hair. I don't know the amount of oil I put because it's not really kind of a sense of guide of how many should go to what, so I think I kind of put a lot of oil in this, and that's why it was overpouring. It's literally really watery. I did had banana. I don't know if she had a banana, I'm not sure, but if she didn't, well, it's a bit of extra on my part, but if she did, that means I actually got all these ingredients correct, because I did not take note when watching the video. It was what were registered on my head, so that's what I went by. I really do not know how this is gonna work, because there's gonna be a lot of, oh damn, careful. Thank God, not my phone. Did not want to stain my dress, but my shirt. So I literally have to coat all of my hair with this mixture and make sure everything is saturated. This is how I could get these, or what would we call it, mask, saturated all over my hair, and I literally made a mess on this table. So far I like the way my hair is feeling. Like, as I'm applying, it doesn't feel, it just looks as if my hair is coily, and I don't think I have a coily hair, but maybe it's all what we use, you know. Do not mistake this for smoothing. It ain't good for drinking. It's just for external purposes. I just, you know, keep putting more. There's literally a lot in here. I can go another person's, another person's hair again, but I don't know if I can save it for tomorrow, because I don't mind. I'm gonna show you my back to see what I mean. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this on for about an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, and I'm gonna wash it off. I will be back to show you the finished result of our hair mask. I don't know if I should go ahead to wrap it up. I don't think so. I'm not sure, but who knows, maybe next time I'll wrap it up. But right now I'm just gonna leave it like this to air out. Okay, see you soon. Yeah, I also need to clean this table though. So since we are baking our hair mask, we might as well just do our face mask, you know, kill two birds with one stone. Guys, welcome back, and I've literally just came out of the shower, washed my hair, shampoo, conditioned the hair, and I haven't brushed it yet, so I'm gonna come in. Just feel like personally these are not new. You already know one of 2 or 3 of these ingredients are used for hair purposes, and they're really good for hair. So each of these items are used to make a mask has their own benefit and their own, you know, pros and cons. Due to the fact that my head is dry skin, or my hair is dry skin, or maybe because I bleached the hair, I would not necessarily say the first outcome for using this mask, my hair feels a lot different, blah blah blah. I can't say that, because it's a lie. It doesn't. The only thing I feel is just that I just feel like it strips the moist on my head. It just makes it super dry. I'm sorry, that's the way I feel. Maybe it's just me. Products like this, you're not going to see the result at the beginning. You're not going to see, oh, this is the like wow outcome. It's not like makeup when you're going to see your transformation and when you use it. So product like this takes like weeks, months to actually see the result gradually coming into play. Just me using it now in under like 24 hours is not going to really show much different to the way my hair was before, but it's a good thing I tried. It's a good thing I know for myself, you know. I hope this video helped you in one way or the other, which I don't know. So if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up or leave your comment below. Do you guys want a DIY or just anything random? Leave your comment below if I will be checking that and, you know, planning it in the near future. Now my hair is literally itching me, so sometimes I don't brush my hair because I just like it to be scattered. I don't know why. So wait, what is my hair? Wow, I actually washed my hair. Oh my god, there's still some particles in this hair. Jesus Christ, it's like a bird leaving in there. Lots of kind of white residue. I don't even know. It could be from the banana or the avocado. There's literally all over my chest. Let me just wash my hair. Ooh, and my scalp is itching me. I'm itching it back. How dare you? And it's making me think twice. Should I even ever think or consider putting avocado or banana or mayonnaise on my hair again? I don't even know. In the near future, even the one I left behind, I think I might have to go and check it out. Anyway, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so you get notified on whenever I upload. And on that note, watch my previous videos right here. I'm waiting. Have you checked my most recent video? Just play around with it.